Today I'm going to show you how to unlock the pattern lock screen password. As you can see, this device here that just arrived is locked. This is the Samsung A24, but this procedure works for several other models as well, okay? Remove your SIM card and also take out your memory card because all the information on your device will be erased. It's good in some cases to pay attention to this tip because in some situations you'll need to connect your device to the computer, okay? Connect it to the computer using the USB cable so it can enter recovery mode, and then we can go there and select the unlock option, which I'll show you here. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end, okay? So let's get started. Cable connected, SIM card removed. Now you're going to press the volume down button and the power button at the same time. When it restarts, release the volume down, press the volume up and it will show. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release only the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters recovery mode, as I told you. Now we're going to show it in practice, so pay close attention. Volume down and power. Hold them until the device restarts. Keep pressing both buttons with the cable connected. Release the volume down, press volume up since it has already restarted. Wait for the name to appear on the screen, then release the power button and keep holding the volume up button here at the top until this mode appears, which is the recovery mode. Just to remind you once again, this procedure works for other models as well. You can disconnect the cable now. Now press the volume down button. Scroll down to the option that says Wipe Data, Factory Reset and confirm once with the power button. Scroll down again, confirm once more and wait for this information to be completed. Once the information is completed, confirm one more time. Press the power button once. And here, the procedure to remove the default screen password or PIN has already been completed. When it restarts, you'll notice that there will no longer be any password, PIN or pattern on the home screen. This procedure also fixes slowness and removes viruses and ads as well. Some devices have been getting a lot of ads. This will also solve a lot of issues on your device. If this video helped you and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our Pix key will be in the video description and there will also be a QR code on the screen, alright? Feel free to make a contribution in whatever amount you can. If you also want to unlock your device from the Google account, our number is in the description and we can help you. If you want, you can get in touch with us and check the price for your unlock, alright? That was today's video. Thanks, take care.